just gave Ivy a bottle of glucose water because we don't have enough milk yet. But now she's got hiccups. Uh-oh. I think they went away. No more hiccups.